To find more recipes like this, and to receive some good counsel on how to live without refined sugar, please look up this title on Amazon, No Sugar Added, or How I Live Without Refined Sugar and Still Enjoy Life by the Highway Groupie. The book is available exclusively on Amazon.
Wow, even Kraft Foods is trying to buy you off from using their cream cheese. Well, take a hint. Hi, I'm the Highway Groupie. What happened? In December 2021, there was a shortage of Philadelphia cream cheese. For that reason, Kraft offered up to $20 to the first 18,000 people who would buy an alternate dessert during that month. Proof of purchase required. Did you know that Philly cream cheese isn't really from Philly? Not even the recipe. And look at the ingredients. Pasteurized milk and cream, okay. Salt, carob bean gum, cheese culture. Most people who are not lactose intolerant are cool with the first two and last ingredients. But who needs more salt in their diet? And carob bean gum? Come on, that's cheating. If you love cream cheese, but you want to ditch the Philly addiction, then this video is for you. We will make the cheese nice and firm without the use of gums. We will be using milk products in this video. In a future video, we will show you a non-dairy version. Let's get started. Here is what you will need. A double boiler. You can also get away with using a regular pot. A candy thermometer. You can't get away without using a thermometer. A large Dutch oven, big enough to handle your pot or top portion of the double boiler. An insulated container or yogurt maker. A mixing spoon. A deep bowl of some sort. My wife recycles the bottom of old vinegar gallons by cutting off the tops. Some cheesecloth. No, it's not made out of cheese. It's called that because it's used in the cheese-making process, as you shall see. A large sieve. Not essential, but handy. And now, let's talk about the ingredients. You will need milk. You can choose between cow's milk or goat's milk, plus some powder or cream, powdered milk or cream, if you want to make it richer. You can mix about 4 portions of milk to cream, or about 10 portions of milk to milk powder. Or you can just go straight whole milk powder, not skimmed. If a normal mix is about 4-to-1, that is about 130 grams to about 1 liter of water, you can follow that recipe. Or, if you like a little richer, you can mix at about 3 water to 1 powder, or about 185 grams of powder to 1 liter of water. The quantity of milk product is governed by the size of your yogurt maker. Yogurt culture, or fresh, natural, unsweetened yogurt. So that's your ingredients. Let's talk about the method. Pre-boil some water, drinking water, of the quantity that your yogurt container can handle. Let that cool to about 65 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Then pour it into your insulated yogurt container to preheat it. Now this step is not necessary for electric yogurt makers. Now put your milk into your pot or double boiler. Heat over low heat for a pot and medium heat for a double boiler. Keeping constant attention to the thermometer, heat the milk to 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool the milk as quickly as possible by placing your pot into cool water in the Dutch oven or in the kitchen sink. Be careful not to contaminate your milk with tap water. Stop cooling at 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 41 degrees Celsius. Remove about 60 milliliters or about a quarter cup of milk and add this to the yogurt culture. You will need to use about 5 grams of culture for every liter of milk. Now mix this thoroughly and then add this to your milk. Mix it well. If you're using natural yogurt, add about 60 milliliters of yogurt for every liter of milk. And again, mix it well. Put the liquid in your preheated insulated container or in your yogurt maker. Keep in a warm place for about 12 hours or until the yogurt firms up. At this stage, there will likely be some whey. You should drain that off. Now, line your sieve with your cheesecloth using a single layer and place this on your bowl or pot. If you're not using a sieve, then attach the cheesecloth to the brim of your bowl or pot using an elastic, a tie, or clothespins. The cheesecloth should clear the bottom of the container by at least 3 centimeters or a little over an inch. Place this in your refrigerator and let it strain for at least 24 hours. If you want firmer cheese, then leave it a little longer. You may need to cover with parchment paper or wax paper to avoid skinning. When it is firm to your taste, you will have a no sugar added, no salt added, no carob pods added cream cheese. See how nice and firm this is? Enjoy.
Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.